Now it's time for Real Health Talks News and Views with cancer nutritionist and neurodevelopment specialist Craig Stelflew.
In the category of lifestyle, cherries' half and half nails imply either renal disease or liver disease. This is a condition where the closer portion of the nail is white and the distal portion has a darker band. The white portion has to do with edema and anemia, and the brown band at the free edge of the nail is renal in nature. These horizontal brown lines also form because of increased melanin associated with Addison's disease, breast cancer, and melanoma. Both lines are like bent outward waves or dents in nail beds. This can be caused by immunosuppressive therapy or chemotherapy. Severe zinc deficiency can also cause Beau's lines, but are usually accompanied by random white specks in the nail beds. The depth of the Beau's lines is associated with the severity of the illness. In the category of food and nutrition, what's good for the goose? A farmer is now suing Monsanto for contaminating his organic crops with their GMO products. The fact is that GMO crops cross-pollinate with other crops, and all organic crops are now cross-contaminated because of this. The goose is Monsanto, who is accused of abusing intellectual property rights by suing small farms when its patented crops blow seeds and pollens onto their properties. Monsanto has been caught trying to bribe officials in Canada and Indonesia. This company is also the one responsible for spraying Agent Orange all over our soldiers in Vietnam, leading to cancer and birth defects and other ailments. Monsanto is not here to bless you peeps, they want your money. In the category of medical madness, anyone who has known me for 2 weeks knows that I am against the indiscriminate use of antibiotics. Need another reason? Using oral fluoroquinolone antibiotics like ciprofloxacin, levofloxacin, and moxifloxacin double the risk of acute kidney disease requiring hospitalization, according to a study published in the Canadian Medical Association Journal. Fluoroquinolones are broad-based spectrum antibiotics used to treat respiratory and urogenital infections. Have you ever read the warning label? May cause kidney failure. Here's a curveball. The study excluded anyone with a history of kidney problems. This makes the double risk exclusively for healthy patients. Patients with unhealthy kidneys would be at an even higher risk. In the category of vitamins and supplements, how magnesium works in the heart. Magnesium and calcium work together for heart health. Calcium first enters heart cells and other body cells to perform its vital functions like produce electrical conductivity. Calcium stays until it is pushed out by magnesium. If there is a magnesium deficiency, then calcium will stay in the cell and allow accumulations of calcium causing calcification, dysfunction, and cell death. A magnesium deficiency-related excess calcium also causes muscle cramps, tics and twitches, angina pectoris, hypertension, and arrhythmias. To prevent all this trouble, take 400 to 600 milligrams of magnesium citrate or malate supplements. Never take magnesium oxide for this. Cut back if you experience diarrhea. Never take calcium supplements without magnesium supplements. And finally, in the Real Health Talk News and Views trivia, Willis the Clown trivia. The arteries and veins surrounding the brainstem, called the Circle of Willis, looks like a stick person with a large head. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for joining us. You have been listening to Real Health Talks News and Views, featured every weekday on El Shaddai Radio.
If I could reach the stars